Hey, what's up, y'all? This gonna be a short video. I know I look a mess. This video is not about that, bitch. So if you got a problem, go here elsewhere. Cause this ain't that. Don't come on here, judging nobody or none of that. It's almost Christmas time. And we not here for that, y'all. But I just wanted to say, like, really quick. I had I came across a YouTube video today of a girl, just crying and talking about like how hard she was having it right now. Like, we're trying to keep her place, and she got 4 kids, and her license fucked up, and she just going through it, like basically on YouTube, like crying out for help. So it just brought me back to the realization that everybody is going through shit right now. Like, everybody going through shit, but a lot of people fucked up right now. And I think that we get so caught up in looking at everybody else's lives, like celebrities and influencers, like the people who we think have it all together, or the people who we know for a fact got money. And, just looking at other people, whether it's how nice they dress, how their house look, just different shit like that. And I'm like, regular people out here, it's really fucked up. A lot of people can't provide for their kids' Christmas this year. And, normally I don't make like quick little videos like this. I look a mess. Ain't no lighting. I'm running around getting some last minute Christmas stuff myself. But I'm like, it's not always about that. Like, I'm very authentic. I don't pretend to be nobody that I'm not. And I'm not going to get on here with this kind of message and act like I got it all put together. Like, it's ready to pour down raining and everything. Y'all can't even see the clouds. But, yeah, y'all, a lot of people out here fucked up. And it's like, we always on social media for like entertainment, or like to see the latest videos, or who done got the fight, or the latest news, what's going on in the area, whatever. And it kind of distract us from remembering that a lot of people is really out here fucked up. Everything high, rent high, like you can barely pay your rent. So it's like, when you have children and it's Christmas time, a lot of parents are like stressed out because they barely can keep a roof over their head. They barely can keep food on the table. And then it's like, you can't post it on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or whatever, because people gonna take advantage of the situation and make it like you just a bum ass bitch. Excuse my language. But just make it like you a bum. Like, why she ain't get off her ass and do this? Why he ain't do that? Like, sometimes no matter how much you try, it's like you can't get ahead for nothing. Like, you can work every day. You skip 1 month of rent, everything behind. And it's like we out here struggling to make ends meet, robbing Peter to pay Paul, like my aunt used to say, rest her soul. But at this point, we can't even rob Peter to pay Paul, because Peter ain't got it. So it's like, I just, would want people to be more mindful of what other people going through. We shouldn't have to, not saying that posting videos on these social media platforms will, make it better, but it can help you mentally. And I feel like YouTube is a place where you can be yourself. Like, you can make these type of expressions emotionally without being judged, because if you don't like what I got to say, baby, you can scroll to the next video quickly, expeditiously, like T.I. say. But anyway, I ain't trying to make no jokes, but it's like you get more love on YouTube, and that's why I feel like a lot of people are veering more towards YouTube. And not only that, it can build your fan base. It can build your subscribers, where you can eventually make money. And I hope that from that video, by that girl being vulnerable, she able to make some kind of money from that. But even that shit is hard. Not everybody can pick up the camera and be a content creator, or pick up the camera and talk about something they dealing with in their life and it resonates with thousands of people. You know, it has to be something that people going through. It has to be something that people can relate to. And a lot of times you don't know what to talk about. You be beating yourself up like, I want to do YouTube, but I don't know what to talk about. Like, is people going to listen to me? And I feel like for me, I felt like that. Like, I have a business YouTube channel where I do like sewing videos. And you know, it picks up slowly, but it's just so much work to have to edit and do all that versus having like a personal YouTube or like a family YouTube where you could just post like regular shit like your regular day. So I just wanted to make a quick video, y'all, to just remind people to be mindful of other people who don't have it. Just because you got it or just because you can pay your bills this month, like a lot of us are living check to check. A lot of us, I mean, we working, but we don't know how the fuck we gonna pay our bills this month because we living check to check. You know, anything can happen. Your check can be short. You can have to go to the hospital, take off work for your kids, Lord forbid, anything like that. But life be lifing. So I feel like for people to come on here and to like be real with y'all and to like be completely authentic, not dolled up, even though that's cool. We all need that. We all like that sometimes. But I want y'all to pay closer attention to the people who like spitting real shit. The people who dealing with like real life shit, because down story, even if they got like 100 views and it come across your news feed, if it resonate with you, it resonate with you. And y'all don't understand how many people's story could like really help y'all. And I made this video because her video just came across my timeline. I'm like, you know, I was dealing with my own personal shit. And I'm like, damn, a lot of people fucked up out here. A lot of people dealing with shit. You're not the only person who out here going through stuff. Like, everybody fucked up. Everybody window watching the people who seem like they got their lives together, the people who got money. And it's like, what we need to do is like support the people who don't have money. Like, you up here commenting on these celebrity pages. Oh, you look good. The body is tea. Girl, shut the fuck up. You know, but you will scroll past a regular person like, oh, her shoes dirty. Oh, talk about her weight. Like, come on now. And it's like we just tear each other down, each other down. And it's so common now that it's like it's the norm. Like, it's the normal. So I know a lot of people don't think like deep into shit like that, but y'all, please be mindful that other people going through a lot of shit. And even though you can't make Christmas for your kids, or you miss a birthday, you can't take your kids off of that birthday, like, you got a roof over your head. You have something to drive. No, you don't have the newest BMW or Lexus, whatever the fuck they call it, coupe, all that bullshit. Long as I can drive, get from A to B. Like, of course we always want better. Of course we always want like a decent car. You know, of course we want the 5-6 bedroom house. But it's like, y'all, no matter what we get, I'm sorry, y'all. No matter what we get, we always want more. So I know this not the best video, y'all, but I just want y'all to take a moment to be thankful that you have health. You got health. You know, health is wealth. And I know it don't sound, you know, it's cliche, but it's the truth. Because if you think about it, if you had $1 million right now and you found out you got cancer tomorrow, would you rather be cancer free, to live, to see your kids grow, to spend more time with your family? Or would you rather have money to look good and to buy this house and buy this car and put your kids in this house and you not there to enjoy it with them? And that's what I had to realize. And I feel like today, and like talking to people who have had serious health issues, when the only thing they want is to be healthy, I feel like that should ground you more to be thankful. But we always want more. We want to provide for our kids. We want to have a roof over our head. And sometimes, even though we work hard or work our ass off, it's just not enough. So it's hard to like keep going and to stay motivated. But please, y'all, when you get like in that dark space, I can say like for me, what helped me is listening to like scriptures on YouTube, Bible verses that resonate with what I'm going through. Listening to motivational speakers, because like I tell people all the time, like when I'm down and unmotivated, I turn it on, and it helps you keep the faith. It helps give you hope. So I just want people to be nicer to people. And sometimes it's hard, but when you riding down the street and you see all these cars and shit riding about, like all of these different people, like we all have prayers, we all have wants, we all have dreams. We don't know what people go through. People killing ourselves, our kids is out here dying. So it's like you never know what a small sin can do for someone's life, to change somebody's life. One sentence, one positive sentence can change someone's life. And yes, life be lifing, life get hard, but no matter what, y'all, never give up on yourself. Just keep going. They always say, without a battle is no testimony. And I'm a witness to that. I'm still going through my battles, but I know in the long run that it'll make me a better person, and I'll look back like, damn, I went through so much. So it's like, y'all, just hang in there. Hard times don't last. It don't rain forever. And I know that's cliche, but don't give up on you. We gonna go through shit. It's gonna be a lot of times we're not gonna be able to pay our bills on time. Shit will be backed up. Phone might be off for 2 or 3 days. But don't lose yourself. Like, never give up on you no matter what. You still here. We still got another chance to make this shit work. And the most important thing is being a spiritual being, having human experiences. We have all these emotions. We have all these feelings. We have all these wants. We have all these things that we think we need to make us feel better. But we have to remember that we can't give up on ourselves. Like, we still here. So just keep pushing, keep praying, keep showing up for you. You're going to have the days where you cry, just fall down and fall to your knees and pray, but never give up on yourself. You might go a month with being unmotivated and just feeling like shit not going to work, but never give up on yourself. Like, always come back. Always bring your mind back to, I got to keep going. Okay? And I don't want to make this video too long, y'all, but be mindful of other people. Other people going through so much shit. That lady you just bumped in the store and cussed out, she could have just lost her mama yesterday. She could have lost her son last week. She could have just got evicted. So I just want people to be more caring and considerate of what other people could be going through. Because everybody fucked up. Everybody fucked up out here right now. Okay? And if you're not, then good for you. But it's other people who are. So just never get above yourself, or never get above the next person when you do get it, because that shit can happen to you like that. You get all this money tomorrow, your health can decline like that.